To print from Samsung Galaxy S26, first of all open this file that you want to print, in my case that picture, and right now we have to click on the three dots and simply find the print option. Now we have to select a printer from the tab and we have to click to all the printers, and now it's going to search for our printers. And if it is not working for some reason, it doesn't actually detect your printer, you have to go for the settings, open connections, and go for more connection settings. Now you have to go for printing, and over here you can try to use the default print service. So just go for it, wait until it finds your printer, select and go forward. But sometimes some brands actually need to get the specific plugin. So we have to click here. You will be redirected into the Google Play Store. And for example, if you are looking for HP plugin, you have to input that phrase HP. You have to download this plugin, or you can even try to specify HP printer plugin. Yeah, we should actually get this one, the HP print service plugin, and after it will be downloaded, you will be able to find it just over here next to the default print service. So I cannot show you exactly how it looks because there's like multiple printer brands on the market, but you have to just simply enable Bluetooth on your printer and select your printer from the list, and then this printer will be available when you try to print something over here. I hope you find it useful. Let me know how it looks in your case.